Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Holly, and if you are new here to the channel, welcome. I hope that you love this video enough to stick around and hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I am sitting here in my bedroom. I've got my little co-host Zoe here, and we are ready to hang some blinds up in this bedroom. Well, I'm ready. I think Zoe's taking a nap. But anyways, we are going to be hanging up some custom linen Roman shades from Curtarra. These shades are so gorgeous. The style that I went with for this space is called their Lesley custom linen Roman shades. They're just gorgeous. I cannot wait for you guys to see them on the windows. But the best part is they're motorized. So I'm super excited to get these up. One of the things that drew us to this house when we first bought it was this gorgeous master bedroom with all these windows. It lets in so much light in here and the view is spectacular. But because of all the windows, there's not much privacy, and as well, sometimes you don't always want the light beaming in. So we decided to go with these shades with a blackout material to add privacy, to keep the sun out in the summertime when it gets really hot in here as well. That's another reason. And just because we wanted something beautiful at the top of our windows. So let's go ahead and let's get these blinds hung up.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
So right away in our box, we have the Smart Wired Gateway Pro. So this is for the motorized component of the blinds. So there's a little product manual. This is the little hub. I'm going to assume I'm going to have to read more about that. But this is everything we need to do the motorized component. Let's take these blinds out and have a look. Let's take a look here. You guys, these blinds are beautiful. So we have the nice linen Roman shade, and we have the blackout liner as well on the inside. So let's go ahead and get our blinds hung up. So when you get your blinds from Curtarra, you're obviously going to have the blind. You're going to get the little mounting hardware for the sides. And there's also a USB cable. If you get the motorized blinds, you will have the USB cable. If you just have the regular blinds, you will not have this. They also give you a packing list, so you can make sure that you got everything that you need before you get started. And in the packing list, you have your installation instructions as well. And these look super simple to install.
The motorized blinds also come with a super easy to use remote, but you can also use the hub if you want to control it with your phone. To install the blinds, we're going to take our first clip, making sure that we have the spring-loaded part facing out and the back of the L towards the window. I'm going to measure out about a couple inches from my window frame, and then I'm just going to make some marks. Now I have wooden window frames, so I can screw the screws directly up through the bracket and into the window frame. If you do not have wooden window frames, you are going to want to use the plugs provided to attach your hooks. So I've done the first one here, and you can see how secure it is in my wooden window frame. I'm going to install the next clip, measuring out the same distance I did as the first one, and then screwing that one in with the provided screws as well. This is how easy these blinds are to install. You put them in on an angle and they snap and click right into place with just a little push up on the blind. Super, super easy to install these blinds. They come with a very long cord for you to charge them. So you just have to go up under the blind into the little black motor part, plug in the one end of the USB, and then plug the USB in into a USB approved outlet, and then you charge them for the first time for 6 hours. You only have to charge these blinds once about every 6 months. So I've just marked it down in my calendar to set a reminder, an alert that in 6 months I need to charge my blinds. super easy to install, and here they are all set up in my room. This is with the blinds down, and you can see how much light they're blocking. It is fantastic in here now with these blinds, and I just love how cozy they look with the linen feel, and everything looks so wonderful. So here's the little remote. You can set it up so that the blinds are controlled one by one, or you can also illuminate all the numbers at once and the blinds will all go up at the same time. That way you don't have to control them one at a time. I think that's a super neat feature, and so that I can just control them with the click of a button just once. They go up super easy, super seamless, and Zoe's just loving these blinds, I have to say. She thinks they're great. So anyways, you guys, these blinds from Curtarra are so beautiful and so worth it. And they've just totally transformed this space. And they were exactly what I was hoping for my master bedroom. I did want to let you guys know that I have a code that you can use to get 26% off your order for December. The code is HO12. So if you click the link in the description on this video and you enter that code, you will get 26% off for the month of December on your order. I highly suggest that you guys go and check out their website because they have a ton of different styles and options to choose from. And these Lesley Roman shades are just the tip of the iceberg. You are sure to find a style of blind that will suit your home. These ones I highly recommend, though. They are by far my favorite on their whole site, and you will not be disappointed. Curtarra has also launched a token of gratitude program where certain community members can enjoy 25% off their order. So teachers, military veterans, seniors, healthcare workers can apply to get that special 25% off. Their website makes it easy to go ahead and do that, so I've included a link to that page as well if you want to check that out and see if you fall into any of those groups for that special discount. So go ahead and make sure you check out their website. Link is in the description. And thank you guys for checking out this video, and I hope that you'll place an order with Curtarra because you will not be disappointed. Thanks so much for tuning into this one, and we'll see you on another video.